Good afternoon, my name is Jay. I've been in hospitality for the last 10 or 12 years or so. Today we're going to be talking about Raging Scotsman. She's one of Spirits of Anarchy's products. It's a blended whiskey with a mix of grain and malted whiskies. It's infused with toffee, cinnamon, clove, winter spices of orange and star anise. Today we're going to be making an old-fashioned using Raging Scotsman. First you want to get a glass, you want to get a block ice. We're going to chill the glass as well so cocktail gets nice and ready. Then you want to get a mixing tin, some cubed ice, then we're going to get 50 ml of Raging Scotsman, then we're going to use 10 ml of sugarcane syrup. And then we're going to use 3 dashes of salt solution. Then we're going to use 3 dashes of orange bitters, 3 dashes of Angostura. Then we want to mix the drink for about 20 to 30 seconds. Okay. Then we're going to use our strainer to pour in the glass. Then we're going to give the glass a quick stir so the ice doesn't get stuck to the glass. And then we're going to use an orange zest just to get the juices out. Rub it around the glass so they can, when they take a sip, they can have a taste of the orange as well. Okay, there you go. This is an old-fashioned, one of my favorite drinks, using Raging Scotsman. If you'd like to try the drink, please visit Cavalli, or you can go visit Spirits of Anarchy on the website, or you can buy it online as well. Thank you very much.